Actually, it's a bit noisy here. I am in the laundry. We decided we're on here for a fortnight. We don't have enough underwear for a fortnight, so I thought I'd get some little bits and pieces washed. It's the first time we've used a laundrette in here. But yeah, I'll show you around in a minute. So there's 4 of these in each laundrette. The top is the dryer. The bottom is a, I don't think this one's on. No, it's not. It's a top loading machine. So I don't really know what I'm doing, but I whiz this around to the regular wash, and then you pull the button out to make the start. You can choose your water temperature, water level, whether you want fabric softener in or not. I brought bold pods with me, so that's got the fabric softener inside. They are free to use, but you do need to bring a washing powder. I presume you can buy some at reception. There's no machines in the actual laundrette to buy any. Yeah, they've got plenty of ironing boards in here as well. You don't have to save your washing, but I decided to because I don't really want my smalls being rummaged about in. So I just bought a book. I'm going to sit here and read while it does its thing. I should also say there's one on every cabin deck. On Britannia they're all at the aft end of the ship, and we're right at the front, so a little bit of a trek down here, but it's fine. We're not doing anything today. It's our second day in Stockholm, so I thought I'd come and do some freshening up.